Okay, for this question, sorry I'm at a bowling alley so it's noisy, but you want to group factor this. So I'm gonna take x cubed plus 8x squared minus x minus 8. And I'll group factor this and this. So I'll factor out an x squared, leaves me with an x plus 8. Then, because there's a minus here, I'm going to factor out a minus 1. And this will change this stuff to a positive x, and it'll change this to a positive 8. Now, since these are the same, I can factor them out. And then I have this left. Then this is the difference of squares. So I can factor it to x minus 1, x plus 1. So they want to say what the zeros are. So from this one, it'll be a negative 8. From this one, a positive 1. From this one, a minus 1. So these are my zeros. If they say, what's the multiplicity? Each one is only shown once. So this would have a multiplicity, of 1. This one would be multiplicity of 1. And so would this one. Okay, hopefully that helps.